Hi, I am a student from Harmony Public School, Pflugerville, Texas, and our project is Cable Management Device. This is STEM SOS Level 2 project, and this project is by me, Semavir, Brian, and Shiog. Our driving question is, how are we able to create a cable manager that is able to solve this burning problem and make offices with cables more manageable? The main purpose of our project is to deal with messy cable management in technology-driven environments, particularly in offices and homes with desktop PCs. Unorganized cables create safety hazards and hinder efficiency and increase the risk of workplace accidents around the world. People deal with difficulties and frustrations with tangled, misplaced, and cables that are just in the way. And here are some of the materials we used: adhesive tape, cable ties, cable management device, and a 3D printer to print our project. Alright guys, this is our PBL project. This is a cable management bar slash strip, whatever you want to call it. So what we did was we put this in Fusion 360, we printed it, and when we printed it, we added 4 holes here for like the Velcro to like seam through, and then we just put it in a 3D printer and it came out, and this is how our design is. So basically it has Velcros and 4 points, boom, boom, right? And then these can unhinge to put wires, and then these can be hinged backwards in like this. Put it in there, boom, that's 1, and that is 2. For example, take this. This right here is all scrambled. Obviously, this is bad. This is bad cable management. You don't want that. So what you want to do is you want to take this, you want to, round it up. And what you want to do is you want to feed it in. Now, as I said, you can open these, or you can just feed it in by force, but I would suggest opening them. You put them down right here, boom, right here. And then what you do is you just feed these here, and then feed this one right here. This one could be a little tricky though. Oof. There we go. And boom. These will hold in place just like that. And on this side, right here, we're gonna apply adhesive, like a strip of adhesive. And then this right here will go underneath here, preserving cable management. Voila! This is how the cable management device looks when it's underneath the desk. Our ELA component. My group chose the journal ELA component to track project progress, document every stage, and gain knowledge through written documentation. SS component. Our project focuses on economic influence of cable management devices in social studies. It helps understand industries like technology, construction, job creation, global market, and infrastructure costs, and the importance of good infrastructure. Studying these devices can reveal how new ideas and technology can enhance countries' competitiveness. Thanks for watching Harmony Science Academy Pflugerville.